Hi everyone, it's Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're a new subscriber or new to my channel. I would love to have you as a subscriber. This is video 2 in my envelope series. What we're doing is we're making a policy type envelope, which is 6 inches by 4¼ inch. And these are kind of the measurements that you're going to be needing. So I did do a previous video. It gives you all the measurements and I make them from scratch. This is really just making more envelopes with different patterned paper collections for my own, to build my own stash up. So you're going to need a piece of paper 8 3/4 by 8 3/4. We were going to score it at 1 3/4 and 6. Turn it round, score it 1 3/4 for your top bit. Turn it round again and score it at 1 inch at the bottom, and then cut out the 4 corners until you end up with something like this. So this is our envelope template. The paper collection that I'm using is by Art Studio. You can pick this up from the range in the UK. This one's called Rose Gold. It's got quite a bit of foiling in it, and this is what I'm basing this set of envelopes on. So that's the paper collection that I used. The finished envelope will look something like this. Really pretty wee envelopes. This is in the previous video that I made, and these are all using Rosie's Studio collection papers. So that one goes that way. So let's assemble our envelopes. So assuming that you've cut them all out, rounded all the corners, put the score tape on, it's just an assembling job now. So let's just pop that . You're not going to believe this, that's not going to, oh, it is going to lift up. The very first one. So it's a case of just scoring the edges, taking the score tape off, and assembling. Now what I've been doing with these ones is, this is a 1 3/4 Stampin' Up round punch. I'm just popping that in and taking a notch out the top so that it folds, and when you go to put something in it you can get a hold of it. So that's our first one, and it just lets you see how quickly these can come together. I didn't want to do a huge big long video making them from kind of scratch again, so I'll pop this score tape off. That's the bottom. Just give that a little fold. Kind of just pop it open at the side. And put the circle punch in, and then fold that over. Oh, nearly dropped that. Goodness, that woke me up. And then just score that over. Last one, forgot to round that corner. And there we go. So this is our envelopes. Let's bring them all back in again. Get rid of this debris off the table. And there we have our, how many did I make? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's just split the colours up a wee bit. Here we go. So we've got a spotty one, a geometric one, stars and stripes, hearts, and a kind of florally leafy kind of one. So these are great wee envelopes for just having on hand. You can pop money in them, you can pop gift cards in them, cards with gift cards on them, and they're just really good to have. So that is the Rose Gold collection. I hope you liked that, and I'll see you soon with another collection. Actually, I've got another 2 collections because I've already got all the papers looked out for them. The next one is a pink peony paper collection from Recollections, I think. So I shall say goodbye just now, and I'll be back very shortly with another envelope video. See you soon.